Hi everyone, Marcos here from MedPack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. And today we are going to talk a little bit more about the Bound Motor M3 and what was my experience. This video was supposed to be a full range test, but because the weather was changing and it starts raining and it was really windy. By the way, let me know in the comments below how you normally record your sound, your voice, when you are riding skateboards or electric unicycles. I would love to know, because unfortunately the sound quality is not the one that you are used to see on the channel. I wanted to share my first thoughts riding this one. I have already done maybe 100 miles more or less with this one, and this is the first time from all the 7 electric skateboards that I had since I started this channel. This is the only one that made me think, do I go out with my electric unicycles or do I go out with the Bound Motor M3? I couldn't recommend more for the price range, and if you are searching for something that you can customize, and I'm not saying customizing on the remote, but connecting to the computer and changing the acceleration and the brakes as you want, I never saw in this price range. You start, I believe, in $300 and something, and you have even the discount of the channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and like I said before, sorry for the quality of sound, but I think that the message is quite important. With the Bound Motor M3, that I have to say from all my skateboards is definitely my favorite. There is many good features that you have on this one that makes me love it. There are other stuff that obviously could be better. This is not my final thoughts. I'll be able to talk to you guys and tell you a bit more. Obviously today I'm not riding like crazy. I'm going to meet a friend of mine that is in the lake. We are going to see if we can reach there. I think so. So I think we are going to do around 8 miles. For a skateboard, it's already a significant amount. By the way, this is the skateboard that I feel the safest until today. I'm going to tell you something about this skateboard. It's the first time that I think twice if I want to ride with an electric unicycle or if I want to ride with an electric skateboard. And that means a lot to me, because what makes me use more electric unicycles than skateboard is safety. And this one is fast. I have already reached more than 40 kilometers per hour on this one, and the brakes are amazing, the acceleration is amazing. If you need to readjust, you can readjust the acceleration. Obviously it's not going to give you more power. If you need to have a better acceleration, you can connect this to the computer and it goes. But like you can see, it's super fast, man. It's super fast. For a hub motor, it's the best hub motor that I tried until today. I've never been a fan of hub motors because, first of all, they are not comfortable. Second, they are not fast. It's not the case. And with these wheels, they are so comfortable, man. You feel in control all the time. This one is the first one that I consider a transport. So I love the drop deck. The trucks, they are not the best for curving, because also having a drop deck, it doesn't help you with that, because it's much more steep to do some curve, but it's still possible to do it. Obviously also trying to curve, having my arm locked doesn't help at all. Whatever is the floor, for example, this floor here, always been a problem with all the skateboards that I tested in this way. And this floor here, terrible. And another thing that made me not look to electric skateboards as a transport is, after a while you really feel your feet numb. And this tire, man, they are super soft, man. Super soft. That makes me really love this one. The shape of the deck underneath your feet, they are not like just concave. They have a weird curvature that makes you be more in control when you need to curve and having your feet locked. Another thing just to say, but this happens basically with all hub motors, is the brakes. In the end, they could be stronger. That's something that I would like to see different. To brake, it's so smooth, man. Really the first time that I feel in control. battery that I have here is the 2P. Definitely buy the other one. Just costs you more $100, but it's going to make you a lot of difference. For example, this bridge. This is something horrible for skateboards. This one also, I'm not saying that it's perfect, but this is another skateboard I don't use because it's really uncomfortable. What do you think about the brakes? They are much better than slick.
They're good, yeah. It just you're
getting used to it, yeah.
But it's nice size, nice foot hold, yeah. Yeah.
I really like the feeling of it. I feel really...
Yeah. What speed, top speed?
Almost 50 kilometers per hour. So what was your thoughts about the Bound Motor M3? Do you enjoy the video? Do you enjoy the message that I share about this one? Let me know. If you have any questions, leave on the comments below. But my name is Marco, this is MatPack. If you enjoy technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you in the next one.